Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be taking a look at some pixie haircut ideas. First up we see this beautiful red tone pixie cut. Now this haircut is rather interesting because the stylist does leave a little bit of a flip, curly look to the back of the hair. Definitely added some interest to the overall cut, and it just showcases a little something different to the standard everyday pixie. So then we move on to a very bright, bold, blonde pixie cut. This one kind of has like a slicked back look to it. And then we see someone go from a bob to a pixie. So she does have more of a Peter Pan style pixie cut with this. The highlights and color mixed in look amazing. Really adds some dimensional tone to the cut. And this is a great option if you do want to go from a bob to a pixie cut. So moving right along, we see this beautiful redhead. Looks like she is going to be getting a pixie cut as well. So it looks like this may be her natural hair color because her eyebrows do match the color of her hair. She ended up getting a longer pixie, long bangs in the front. Gorgeous tapered neck there in the back. And then we see more of a shaven pixie going here. The undercut shaven portion of the hair is in the back, and then she has more of a standard pixie going in the front portion of the hair. Love how she's styling this with the earrings. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. That really helps my channel out. And just comment below, why do you love pixies? A lot of my most popular videos definitely happen to be pixie haircuts. It seems to be a look that women love and gravitate towards. So just leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Why are you loving the pixie hair trend? So next up we see a salt colored hair. She is getting a standard pixie as well. Beautiful salt and pepper mixed in with this coloring. Gorgeous. And then we see more of a baby pixie here with the layers and choppiness. Just a different variety of pixie cuts. What I love about the pixie personally is the fact that it can work with all face shapes and hair types. You can wear a curly pixie, you can wear a straight pixie, you can wear a super short pixie such as this one. It really just depends on your particular style. Loving the flare of this one with the choppiness and the layerness, the spiky cut throughout. So much fun. It is also a look that can work for older women, younger women. There's so much versatility when it comes to pixie haircuts. So I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you want to see more of the latest in hair trends, and I will of course see you in the next one.